Hello to you, my gorgeous ladies. You are all welcome back to my channel, Fashion and Hairstyles Updates. Whether you're a new subscriber to my channel or an old subscriber, you are all welcome in this channel. Thank you for sticking by, and I know that my today's video you will definitely love what I have for us today. So today guys, I have for us nice and good looking Boubou Ankara styles. These styles are the latest styles you can see in town right now. They are the pure trending styles. I tell you, these styles are styles for the future. In years to come, these styles will still be in vogue. Just watch the video from beginning to end and you will definitely see that these styles are unique. Okay, thank you as you go through this video, and please, as you watch the video, kindly support my channel by liking this video. Okay, and in case you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you will always get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And peradventure this is not what you really want, you can go down into my channel to see other videos. Okay, anything fashion are available in this channel. Okay, so just take your time and watch the video. Thank you, and please do not forget to like the video. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.